Here's the front of the tread section. And of course, there's that famous Trendmasters sticker. Yes, sirree. And another thing wrong. It's not supposed to flip down like that. This would get caught on a rug, ground, it would snap right off. So I thought, take this, hinge it up here where the holes are that holds the top of it up, and just do that. And I thought, I'm looking at the space behind, and the space here, I could put a soil sampler. So what I have to do is cut out the whole rectangle area just below the circle up there, where the indentation is. Cut out the whole sticker. Reverse the door, flip it up like a doggy door the way it's supposed to be, not the way they have it. Wear my safety gloves because I ain't cutting my fingers off. But cut out that rectangle, fill in that indentation. Then once I fit it on, I'll see how much room I have behind it. But they do have linear servos that are small enough they fit inside a Tic Tac box. So somehow I gotta mount it here. I might have to glue because I don't want to be drilling into this. And I don't know how it would fasten in here. I may have to use some strong glue. But I have the brackets, and it has to come down and push out. So it'll push the door out, and it has to come down low enough to touch the ground. So below the robot has to be low enough. At the bottom of the tread section, it has to come out. So that's what I'm going to do. So the first step is cutting that sticker out all the way around the rectangle. Well, take the door off first. Of course, the dang door got to come off. Then cut off the famous Trendmasters sticker. Fill in the indentation. Then prime, paint. I got the back section already in the garage where I painted the silver. Then I have to mask off the wheels here and the silver so I can paint the treads. And then after that, I mask off the silver, the treads, and then I can paint the wheels. It'll look like 3 different colors, like 3 different parts, instead of looking all molded together. So, that's the next step. See you on the other side.